Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's trade, we were able to secure some good profits. As you can see today, we had 4 high impact news. So keeping that in mind, I did my analysis accordingly. And yes, bias for the dollar index was already shared on the community tab prior 8:30. So let's dive into it. As I've mentioned, I've already shared the same picture on my community tab at 8:20 a.m. My bias for dollar index was up, and obviously for Nasdaq and other currencies it was down. So looking at day time frame of dollar chart, I had multiple confluences which made my bias up for the day. Like we have discussed in previous video that price took out the sell side liquidity. Also, price couldn't close below consecutive encroachment of inverse fair value gap, which is in the form of CB on previous day. The bullish order block was also in the picture. Plus, we had inefficiency open in the form of CB to the upside. So all these confluences made my bias up for the day. Let's zoom into the chart. So as you can see, price took out the sell side liquidity. Also, yesterday's price couldn't close below C like I have already mentioned. It is clearly seen that price formed a bullish order block at day. So a reaction is expected to reprice the sell side imbalance and buying side inefficiency, which is CB. Now coming up to the Nasdaq at day time frame, we have down close candle yesterday which shows signs of weakness. And this aligns with the dollar index bias. Also inside this down close candle, we had 4-hour bearish order block, which we will see in the next slide. Now coming up to the 4-hour time frame, I have already mentioned the formation of bearish order block, which is bearish order block as you can see in the picture, and my draw on liquidity was at the up close candle. And there's my bias was set for the Nasdaq. So keeping all those things in my mind, I look down to smaller time frame, which is 5 minutes. Coming up to 5-minute time frame, I waited for the news to pass and I was analyzing the price action formed at 9:30 a.m. I saw price traded right back into 4-hour order block at opening bell. Then I was waiting for market to settle. As soon as I saw up close candle, that gave me conviction that I'm on the right side of the market. I saw price getting reaction from CB and started coming down. I got late entry, but I still managed to enter into trade because my risk to reward was fine. A placement of stop loss was right above CB and placed my target on draw on liquidity, and I was able to capture these profits. My target was hit, but it kind of reduced my total anticipated profits, just because I have some things to fix in my psychology. And like always, thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this analysis helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video.